What's up guys, Emil Wagner here. Gonna be going over my rig for the 2025 Elite Series season and all the other tournaments we end up getting into. All right guys, so at the front of the boat, we got the Minn Kota Ultrex. This is probably my 4th or 5th boat I've ran an Ultrex on. Absolutely love this trolling motor. This is their new Quest. It's just more powerful, quieter. Love everything about this thing. And got the Humminbird 360 this year. Gonna be running that off an Apex 13. Super clean wiring, just picked the boat up from Sonar Pros. You can see everything's neat, tight, and there's no pinch points. Obviously got our forward-facing sonar. As we get over here on the mount side of things, I got these straight up mounts. This is their 7-inch rise mount. I think it's my 4th boat that I've ran this mount on, and I always get a lot of people asking about it. It's a really sweet, slick mount. They're super affordable, and would definitely check them out if y'all are in need of a good sturdy mount for your bass boat or really any other boat. And then as we move back here, kind of to the business end of the boat, we got dual Humminbird Apex 13s. Like I said earlier, I've almost always run Humminbirds on my boat, you know, a lot of Helixes as well. And I always kind of felt like Humminbird was on the leading edge of mapping and side scan. So I'm really excited to be running these high-end Apex units. I'll have side scan and down scan on one and probably mapping going to this other unit. And that should be good there. And then as we move to the back, this is what powers everything and really what Sonar Pros just did a great job on. And we got Powerhouse lithiums back here. I have 2 dual 36 volt 60 amp trolling motor batteries, so I'm getting 120 amps of total power. Those 2 batteries are running parallel, so if I ever happen to have an issue with one, I've got a whole nother battery to run my trolling motor off of. I got a Powerhouse 16 volt 140 amp running all the graphs, so I'm getting 16 volts to all my graphs, more than enough power to run those things all day, probably multiple days. And I got running gun chargers in here to kind of wrap it all up. So when I'm running down the lake, it's actually charging my batteries as I go. Just another nice thing to have in mind so you're not ever having to worry about those batteries dying. And then I have an AGM in here as well. So if something were to ever happen on the electronic side, I've got a whole nother battery I can run those off of. We've got a switch back here that can go from the lithium to the AGM, as well as another switch to just turn all the power off and on. And we got designated Sonar Pros wiring harnesses, run to all the graphs, separate fuses for every graph. Just a really clean setup in here. And excited to have that peace of mind. We've got double redundancy built into everything. So like I mentioned before, if we do ever have an issue, it's there's almost always something you can fall back on. And then right here at the very back, we got these 10-foot Raptors, Minn Kota Raptors. I'm really excited about these. I've always ran 10-footers. I think a lot of guys, when you think of shallow water anchors, you only think of bed fishing, fishing dirt shallow. I use these a lot, even when I'm fishing offshore. Anytime I can get away with using them, I think if you can be quiet, that's a big advantage nowadays. These fish are getting a lot of pressure. And then in the very back, we got the Yamaha 250 SHO. I ran this motor last year through all 9 opens, and I can confidently say I didn't have a single issue out of it. It was incredible, and I never had to go to the service yard, which was really nice. So really excited to be running this Yamaha again. And one more thing I wanted to touch on. Sonar Pros actually does a custom floor kit if any of you guys are interested. So in here we took that carpet out and we got my logo on there, Sonar Pros, and it's just a really nice, clean, grippy floor. And you can see we got it back here in the back too. It kind of ties in everywhere on the boat. And yeah, just really excited about this setup. If you guys have any questions about the mounts, Sonar Pros, any of the Humminbird Minn Kota stuff, feel free to message me. But this is the equipment I like to use, and I'm excited to be using it for the 2025 season. All right, lastly guys, if you haven't had the chance, we're gonna be documenting all these Elite Series tournaments and probably a lot of other cool stuff on YouTube. So if you haven't had the chance, go check out the YouTube channel, Emil Wagner Fishing, and hit the subscribe button. We should have our St. John's video out here in not too long.